Ganda. I'm at Sierra Hills right now and ang ganda. I tried a different route today. I think it's 3 to 4 kilometers away from my place. And look at this one. I think this is the peak of this village. And it's super nice. It's actually like a mountain before, and they just follow the topography of the place. That's why if you can see, there's a lot of elevation, and you can see the view from here. It's very nice. It's so green and the birds are chirping. Just wanted to share it with you guys. I think this is a school. It's nice. I'll try this one. Let's go. Yeah, it's a school. Nice. This is my first time someone greet me good morning. This woman. Trying the reverse walking. It's nice. Still in my reverse walking. My fears, kaya ayoko dito sa mga ganito nag-walk kasi may secret drainage, baka malusot ako. Bye bye, you're super nice, see you again if I have spare time. Inabutan na tayo ng araw, layo pa yung alakarin natin, dun pa tayo. Akala ko ba magja-jogging tayo? Bakit may kainan dito?